Hello, and welcome back to another Novusphere community update. Today we have Brian and Paul joining us. Bootler or Asphyxia is not available today, but we'll be covering some of the stuff that he wants us to bring up as well. So we have three main topics that we want to cover, which is marketing. Hold up, marketing, development, and our roadmap. So in terms of marketing, we have just launched this last week on Monday. It's been exactly a week. The numbers are looking okay. We are about to hit our 500 users. We haven't done a whole lot of marketing in terms of reaching out to big publications. I have been doing a lot of interviewing with a lot of different YouTubers. Those should be coming out next week, so I expect our numbers to spike. And also we're having a AMA with Blockbase this coming Tuesday, the 4th, as well as a meme contest that some of you might have seen shared in our Discord and our various other social media platform as well as the newsletter that's coming out either Monday or Tuesday. So the numbers I expect to be much higher for next week, just because we'll really get our marketing machine in motion. So that's mostly for marketing. I'm also scheduling a lot more YouTube video interviews, so a lot more YouTubers. So stay tuned for those. In terms of development, we are currently in a code freeze until February 10th. The reason for that is to make sure that the code we have is bug-free. Some of you might have noticed the site went down for a short moment a few times this week. So we're freezing the code base and cleaning things up and refactoring things to make sure that doesn't happen and is stable before we add on any more features. After that, we're gonna migrate our old posts. So obviously we were marketing ourselves under the name of EOS Discussions, and we had a lot of content from the time when we did that. We're working on migrating all that content over, and that's gonna give us a good SEO boost, because back in the old site, all that content was unavailable to the search engines. With the new version of Discussions, all that information can be found on Google. So that should definitely help us boost our rankings with our material, but also our partners' material. After my migration is done, we're gonna work on mobile and customization. So right now, the site is not optimized for mobile, and at least I think it was over half of our audience back on this EOS Discussions was using the site on mobile. So that's definitely something we're taking priority and trying to make sure that the site is available to our mobile users. And customization, which is allowing our partners to put their token icons and descriptions. That's something that we're definitely going to work on in tandem with mobile. So that's our next big thing. Also, in terms of development, which is a little bit further down the road, but you're going to start hearing more details about, and that's our ambassador program that we're working on with our Blockbase. That is expected to be finished by the end of the month. So that will allow you to do is become a ambassador of any of our partners on the platform, and they could run contests, do your social media handles like Twitter and Instagram respectively very easily. So again, all these tools we're building to make sure that our partners have a platform that is very easy to use for marketing and for growing communities. So that's marketing development. And the last thing I want to touch on is our roadmap, which is the Atmos token that, obviously we're always working on to add value to the Atmos token. And we do that by transaction fees, which is you're going to start to see uptake on after the Blockbase AMA on Tuesday. During that AMA, they'll be giving out tokens as well to people who ask good questions. And part of that tip, I'm not going to tell you exactly how much, because that's actually going to be something you get reward for answering later. Part of that tip will actually go towards a dividend for Atmos token holders. And staking is coming soon. Again, staking, there's two levels. Level 1 is just you lock up your tokens and you get more Atmos tokens. And level 2 is that you would have to lock up your Atmos tokens as well as run a Atmos DB node. So level 1 is coming very soon. It should also be finished by the end of the month. So that's mobile and customization as well as the ambassador program and basic staking all coming up this month. So we have a lot of stuff happening this month. And yeah, that's it. That's the three big topics I want to cover. So Brian, Paul, did I miss anything? You guys want to point out?
Oh, and no, I think that's good. I think yeah, just a lot happening this month. So I think people need to be paying attention if there haven't been. Things are going to be, a lot of things rolling in, and I encourage people to get onto discussions and establish unified ID and get comfortable with the system.
Yeah.
Because a lot of things we're going to be doing will be kind of routing through discussions, and having access to unified ID is going to be a big part of that.
Yeah. Also, if you have any ideas for community events, whether that is on discussions itself or on Discord, please let us know. Again, we want to be, now that we have our product ready, we're ready to engage with the community in a more active way. So if you have anything in mind, any ideas, please let us know. And if that's everything, I'll move on to our special segment that we just started now. Did I cover all the important stuff so we can move on to the less important stuff?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Well, not less important.
Covered everything.
Okay, well, not less important, but still, this is something we're trying out. So we're gonna ask you. We're gonna have kind of like I don't even know what to call like a trivia. Yeah.
Pop quiz.
Pop quiz. Yes, pop quiz. So we have these 3 questions. That if you're listening to this, you're probably watching this on YouTube. Leave your on YouTube on discussions. So leave your answer down below, and if we pick you, you are the lucky recipient of 100 Atmos, and that's for each question. So answer separately or answer all together. Yeah. So question number 1: which partner project are you most interested in, and which one do you think we should reach out to next? So that's actually 2-part question. Question 2: which feature are you looking forward to the most? And the last one is, do you know what is the fee for tipping using Unified ID? So what percentage of the tip actually goes to Atmos token holders? So let us, the transaction fee, not directly to Atmos token holders. So what's the transaction fee when someone tips using Unified ID? So again, the questions are, which partner project are you most interested in? And which one should we reach out to next? What feature are you most looking forward to? And the last one is, what is the fee for using Unified ID? So leave your answers down below, and we'll pick a lucky winner. 3 lucky winners if you answer them 3 separately. Okay. Cool. I think that's it, yeah?
Yep. Thanks for hosting the meeting, Jack.
You got it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Ciao, ciao.